Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a drone showdown between two high flyers, the Ruko U11S and the TiziToy Brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk cameras. The Ruko U11S boasts a 90 degrees adjustable 4K UHD camera. It's like having a personal paparazzi that you can boss around. Perfect for capturing those "I woke up like this" moments. Meanwhile, TiziToy offers a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens with a 110 degrees wide angle. It's like your artsy friend who insists on taking photos from weird angles but somehow makes you look amazing. According to reviewers, Ruko's camera is more straightforward and stable, while TiziToy's wider lens offers more flexibility for creative shots. Next, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The Ruko U11S offers a maximum flight time of 20 minutes per battery, and it comes with an extra battery, giving you a total of 40 minutes. TiziToy also offers up to 40 minutes of flight time with its two 1,600 mAh batteries. Reviewers appreciate Ruko's intelligent battery system, while TiziToy throws in extra fan blades for those who like to tinker. Now, let's see how beginner-friendly these drones are. The Ruko U11S is marketed as an ideal choice for your first flight. It's got one key functions and a transmitter that charges directly. No more fumbling with AA batteries like it's 1999. On the other hand, TiziToy comes with a plethora of features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and even a 360 degrees flip. Reviewers highlight Ruko's simplicity and ease of use, while TiziToy is praised for its feature-rich experience. Lastly, let's talk portability. The Ruko U11S can be folded to the size of a mobile phone, making it a perfect travel companion. You can slip it into your bag and take it anywhere. TiziToy comes with a carrying case, which is great, but it's like bringing a suitcase for a weekend trip. Do you really need that much stuff? Reviewers love Ruko's compact design, while TiziToy's carrying case is appreciated by those who prefer more protection for their gear. Reviewers generally find the Ruko U11S to be a solid choice for both beginners and experienced users, appreciating its stability, ease of use, and intelligent battery system. On the other hand, the TiziToy Brushless motor drone is praised for its affordability, feature-rich design, and flexibility, although some users have expressed dissatisfaction with customer support. All right, smart shoppers, it's decision time. Both the Ruko U11S and the TiziToy Brushless motor drone have their strengths. If you're willing to splurge a bit for a user-friendly experience, Ruko is the way to go. But if you're on a budget and love a feature-packed gadget, TiziToy is your new best friend. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.